Hello and welcome. You're watching BT TV. I'm joined by the star golfer, none other than Shubhankar Sharma. First of all, Shubhankar, thank you so much for taking the time out. How is the game going on so far?
Thank you for having me. Game's been good. Today was the first day. Very early tee off. Woke up. It was a 5 o'clock wake up for us, so pretty tired and it got hot out there. But I'm quite happy with my performance, and even my playing partners were playing well, so there was a good vibe in the group. We all played well.
Okay, and I heard that this is one of the toughest courses to play on.
It is. It is one of the toughest courses in India, definitely the toughest, and even on the European tour, it's one of the toughest. Definitely the top three toughest courses we play all year. So it's a great challenge.
And tell us about the significance of this Indian Open for you.
The Indian Open, we have four majors in golf, and this is our fifth major. All Indians, look forward to this week, and we all want to have our names as an Indian Open champion. So, you always bookmark this tournament at the start of the year, and especially it happens in DLF, which is like my second home. I know pretty much everyone here, so it's always good coming back and competing.
Okay, and what about your golf style and golf mantra, if you could share?
It's just being as patient as possible, and it works this week because especially especially this week because of it being such a tough track. You have to just stay patient, not get too angry and frustrated. And thankfully, I could do that today. Things weren't totally going my way all day, but it all ended up decent and still a decent score on the board for the first day.
Okay, and also Shubhankar, Paris Olympics, that's also around the corner. Are we all set?
Yeah, I mean it's still a long way away. It's in August, but yeah, again, it's a dream to represent the country at the Olympics, and I just need to keep playing well in all the events leading up to that event, so that I qualify, and after qualifying, I enter the tournament in a good form, so that I have a chance to get a medal for the country.
Okay, and what about your favorite golf destination?
Favorite golf destination? I'd say Switzerland is right up there. We have a tournament there every year. Especially that course that we play is very beautiful. The town is really pretty. So I'd say that is definitely one of the top ones for me.
Okay, and any fond memories, any incident that you would like to share, especially from this course? Any lessons that you have learned so
From
far?
this course, again, just being very patient. I've known this course for a long time because I remember when it was being built properly. I used to be living in Gurgaon then. So we used to play here all the time, and we all knew how tough this course was. So, I've made a lot of mistakes here in practice, which has obviously taught me a lot. You can't take it anything for granted on this course. You just gotta be in it. You can't take it easy. You gotta commit to every shot till the end and try and do your best.
But who is Shubhankar Sharma of the course?
I'm very different off the course. On the course, it's very business-like. I'm wearing my sunglasses and just playing. Not too many expressions, but off the course, I'm just a normal 27-year-old kid. I like to hang out with my friends, watch movies, listen to music, just the usual stuff.
Okay, and lastly, what would be your advice for all the Indian golfers who are watching you right now?
Um, I mean, I can definitely advise the younger generation coming up. Just to believe in your dreams. I feel like in India, this wasn't the case, I'd say 15, 20 years ago, but now we have all the facilities that we need to develop and nurture young professionals and junior players and girls and boys. And we've seen in the last 4 5 years that so many of these players on the women's and the men's circuit are doing so well internationally. So just believe in yourself. Sky is the limit. And today India, it's one of the fastest growing economies in the world. We have some of the best courses, some of the best facilities. So we'll only see more and more champions emerging out of India.
Absolutely, you said it. And on that note, thank you so much, Shubhankar.